All right. What's up, bitches? Day 43. Coding every day until I get a summer internship. I'm incredibly tired. And full honestly, I don't want to do this. Which is such a great intro to a stream. But I'm probably just going to do one LeetCode problem. Unless it goes really quick, and then I might do 2 LeetCode problems. But I'm definitely not doing any of the poker work because I simply don't have the time. What up, Caesar? You're about to see the quickest stream you've ever seen in your goddamn life. Assuming this problem is easy, because if it takes a while, then I might be here for like 20 minutes, and I don't want to be. I've been staring at this fuck-ass screen. I have 2 projects due like tomorrow and the day after. I got them both done today, but like that took years off my life. Okay, bro. Okay. It was low-hanging fruit, I guess. My bad. I liked your I was looking at your implementation. It's pretty simple, but like I like it. Because I'm probably gonna do something along that lines. I don't really care about speed right now. I'll work on that eventually. Attendance for the day. What's up, man? I appreciate you coming by like literally every day for like the past week or something. I appreciate it. All right, let's. Caesar, have you done this problem? How long do you think this will take me? Because, like, this seems like another DFS or BFS, like 2D grid something or another. Like, it doesn't seem that bad. You haven't? All right, we're gonna hit it raw then. You're given a 0 index 2D matrix grid of size n by n where RC represents a land cell. Isn't this like, we like just did this? A water cell containing that number of fish, if it's greater than 1. Okay. A fisher can start at any water cell and can do the following operations any number of times. Catch all the fish at cell RC or move to an adjacent cell. Wait. Okay, I read this wrong then. Because I thought this said you can start at any water cell and then do the following number of times. Catch all the fish at cell RC or move to an adjacent water cell. But like, if you start here, like, I'm saying like, you can't repeat catch the same fish. Because like when I first read it, I thought like, just find the fucking best one and keep fishing it. Because it didn't say it like, it goes away. Okay, so it does look like DFS the groupings and then just keep a max tracker. Need to calculate the shortest path that goes through. Wait, shortest path that goes through all the fish? I disagree. I thought this was DFS every group. I thought it kind of reminds me of that one island problem. Because like this, like it's like that's a group, that's a group, that's a group, and that's a group. It kind of seems like you just do the groups. Or at least that'd be my guess. I don't know, might be wrong. But to me, like, I'm just going to keep it. I don't know if it's the greatest, but I'm thinking I just keep a 2D array of visited. And then DFS it every time that I see a thing and that's not in visited. And then just keep like that as a tracker. The problem is, what is the problem? You have no adjacent fish, you'll need to look through matrix if any left. Well, I'm thinking you just pass like a cur total, and then you just DFS like top, bottom, left, right, and just return 0 if it's a land. Yeah. Alright. Let me just try it. The height is equal to... Is that the height that's equal to this? Yeah. This is James width. Def DFS is going to take an RC and less than height and 0 less than or equal to, let's see, it's less than, dude, one day I'm gonna be good at this fucking keyboard. I mark my words. R. Okay. So the DFS is if grid, or I should first check. No, I'll do the valid check when I DFS. What is illegible about this? This is fine. Or grid at R. C is it 0 for land? Yeah. Okay. Then what do we do? Corrections. El Clasico. One day I'll figure out like a good way to type this fast. One day is not today. What's up, Jesus? Is this Python? Yeah. I do all LeetCode in Python. Okay. Do we have to do anything in the in-between step? Yeah. We do. Fish plus equals grid at RC. For DRDC and directions. New R, new C equals R plus dr c plus dc and fish plus equals dfs. Will that double count at all? I don't think so. What's up on a racket? I'm gonna butcher that name. I'm so white. My fault. How's the web app going? Actually, getting quite the many viewers, or at least like users from within my school, which is really cool. A post that I did not make kind of went like not viral, but like it was very popular. It got like 3,000 upvotes or something on like our school's like kind of like blog app kind of thing. So I'm getting like 400 users a day, which is pretty cool. Okay. For R in range H, for C in range width. If grid RC is not equal to 0, and valid RC. I guess I can just make valid also take in a grid. No, whatever. That's dope. I know, it's quite cool. Results equals the float of negative inf. All right, because we're looking for a max. DFS RC 0. I don't think this is going to work because I did not run any logic tests. Maximum recursion. Isn't that goated? Because I did not do new R, new C. I'm the goat. Still maximum recursion? What? How's this maximum recursion? Oh, I'm never counting doing visited. Isn't it line 14? I think it's because I'm never doing visited. Okay. Why am I getting 10 here? Doesn't make much sense. Am I getting 10? I don't really want to look through this. I'm just going to print it. numfish is you at Okay, so we're at 1, 3. Yeah, it's 3, it's 7. I'm so confused. How the fuck are we getting to 10? Oh, we gotta make sure we can't go back. Wait, but it should be marked. But it should be marked. 1, 3 should be marked. What is not making sense to me? Oh, how am I being stupid? I'm just gonna do the thing where you get rid of this and you just modify the thing. Or actually I can keep that. Just set grid equal to 0. Am I missing something? I add the value that you're at, and then I DFS the others and just add them. How the fuck am I getting 10? This is no bueno, keto. This is so bad. This one is so easy. I don't know where I'm messing up, though. Not gonna let you alone in this one. That's fair. I'm alone in this world. Do I not pass numfish? Maybe that's what's getting messed up. shit. It's not gonna like that comment. Where's my plus on this keyboard? Oh my god. Okay, so it's the numpfish that was fucking it up. I think because I was overwriting it, maybe? What? Should I just hardcode this to 0? Sure. Why not? That was so easy. Why did I fuck that up? I'm still kind of confused why it doesn't work. Because like I had the right idea throughout the whole thing. Like, it is just the island problem. I'm not sure. Okay. I want to see how many users. It'll give me that many users in 5 minutes. Do I have anything else to talk about? Not really. And I don't really want to do the poker thing because that's going to require thought. This week is kind of going to be hell for me in terms of like trying to give time for this. Is it complete for the most part? The poker game? The poker game I just started. So all I have done for the poker game, I can actually show. Is no, the web app. Oh yeah, the web app is on stable release. Or like I have a dev branch that I'm fucking around with some stuff in. Like I added like a mailing list. I added filters and stuff like that. Wait, actually, that means I should check. I probably need to do the alter table. Because I haven't pushed that yet. Yeah, shit. I just realized I didn't push that. That is a commit I should push. I just need to do a lot more testing. But this is on stable release. Like, fully functioning. I learned how to tag something. Did that. But yeah. This is the app. It works. A lot of people are using it. I've been looking for any error codes, like in the logs. I don't want to open the logs because I don't know if it's... So front end is getting hosted on Vercel, back end on Railway. And Railway's been really nice. Like, the pricing on Railway is so fucking cheap. Like, they give you $5 free credit, and I've only burned through like $1.30 of the free credit. So I haven't even had to pay anything for the back end, which hosts the database and the actual like back end code. And Vercel is obviously free for the front end. So pretty good stack. Been very happy with it. Very happy with it. Probably within the week, I'm gonna figure out like all the tests for this dev stuff and probably merge it really late at night, like 2 a.m. type of thing, because if something fails, I want to fix it myself before anyone else sees it. But yeah, that's making me realize I do need to alter this table to get rid of these extra ones. What is the web app? Sure. The web app is, it's always better with a demonstration. So I go to Northwestern, and we have this Dine on Campus app, which pretty much tells us like where stuff is on our campus. I don't know if you could tell. That was like a 5-second load time. Then you like click. So let's say like Allison Dining Commons is another 5-second load time. And then it always defaults to breakfast. So you want lunch, it's going to be another like that's fucking ridiculous. It's like 20 seconds of load time to figure out what one dining hall's thing has for lunch, and we have 5 of them, and I want to know what's at their things. Yeah, it is brutal. Thank you. It's fucking miserable. So I pretty much just made like a hyper fast, like load in 1 second for all the data of the entire day with additional information on like location, operating times. And then also the original app, actually, the reason why I made this was I wanted to know where my favorites were. So I scraped all the daily information and then like inputted my favorites and just tried to pattern match. So that is like the core feature, is like you can favorite items, and then it'll tell you where they are in the day quicker. But then I realized like, oh, there's also the whole edge to this of if I just make it fucking fast, people will like this. So like you can see how fast you can click in between them, and the items are stored. Like it's all I do is one GET request in the beginning on load time, that's like first second, and then I store everything in session storage because it just goes away once you leave the session. So it enables this like fucking fast as hell switching, which I'm really proud of. Like this thing is fucking fast, which is all I wanted. I wanted fast and functional. I think it looks good too. Light mode kind of looks like ass. Sorry about that flashbang. I have spent no time making this shit look good. But I think dark mode looks good. And the response has been really good. Like, people have been loving this, which is really cool. Like, I've never made a project where more people than just myself think it's cool. Or, like, derive any sort of, like, use out of it. But I want to see, like, it's 12:01, so I should be able to see how many users we're on today. Solve the problem, literally, yeah. Okay. So we're significantly less. Oh, wait. Yeah. So we kind of took a dive from yesterday, which was, like, to be expected. Because this day was, like, somebody made a post, and it kind of went, like, yeah, it got, like, a pretty good amount of traction, so people were just checking it out. But this means 150 people, like, logged back on for day 2, which is pretty cool. Having actual users is good for job search. Yeah, I mean, like, I put 150 plus users, daily users on my thing, which is, I don't know if it's going to give me more interviews, but it'll do better than what I had beforehand. So, yeah. A little bit spiky, but I'm hoping I can stick at about 100. If I can stick at about 100, that'd be really cool. But yeah. That's that project. I am realizing that I need to fix this dev thing. Or not fix, I just need to test this more rigorously and then commit it. But yeah. Alright, I am going to end here. It's already midnight, and I still need to shower, get some work done, and go to bed. I will see you guys for day 44. I can't promise a long stream tomorrow, because I do just have a lot of projects for school due. But by the end of the week, like Thursday, Friday, I should get longer streams in. Caesar, love you, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow. See the rest of you, hopefully tomorrow. Day 44. Good night, guys.